So this rather shaky win by the West Indies over Sri Lanka in the just concluded T20 series has ignited the debate again. Why West Indies batsmen only bat one way? Always trying to clear the boundaries, hitting fours and sixes instead of rotating the strike and taking more ones and twos. But why though? Why should West Indian batsmen who have won 2 T20 world titles batting that way? Why should they change their game? Why should the West Indies as a region that has produced so many T20 superstars and billionaires, why should they change their game? And look, the skill sets for rotating the strike and scoring ones and twos are completely different from the skill sets of scoring boundaries. Yes. So why should the West Indian batsmen compromise their strengths to try and improve their weaknesses? It don't make no sense to me. Yes. And look, we're talking exclusively about T20 cricket. This don't apply to 50 overs cricket and test cricket. We're talking about T20 cricket. You get it?